Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to another video. Today, this short video, I want to show you how you can download and install the DJI Fly app on your iPhone. So for this, you'll need your iPhone and also access to the internet. So for that, you'll just go on the browser and just type download DJI Fly app. You need to make sure you also have the latest iOS on your iPhone, just to make sure you don't have any surprises. So let's go ahead and type download DJI Fly app. So download DJI Fly app, and as you can see here on the screen, it's showing me the first link, the DJI Fly download center. So click on this link and just wait a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds, and now you got this page where it's showing you to download the DJI Fly app. So just click on download the app store. So basically on iPhone, the DJI Fly app is on App Store. On Android is different thing. You need to download the file into your phone and then install the app. Cool. So once you've clicked on that link, just click on DJI Fly app, which is installing right now. It's downloading. So let's say 2-3 minutes to download the app, and then after that you can install it easily. So let's wait a bit. Cool. So once you've downloaded the app and also installed, just click open on it and just wait for the intro video. Just press skip and you'll have to agree all these terms and conditions. Just agree. You can ask the app not to track you. I do that. And you also need to, if you want to allow the app to know your location, I allow only while using the app. So just press agree, allow, and allow. Here it's showing you like what information you want the DJI application to collect about you, and click authorize. Not now. And cool. I'm gonna want to log in into your account. So for some reason my account is already logged in within the app. So we're gonna test and see how this will gonna connect to my DJI Air 2S. So for this, I will gonna hold my DJI Air 2S first of all, just to see if the app works properly, because you never know. Also switching on the controller. And I will gonna connect this to my iPhone, and let's have a look if everything works as it meant to be. So as you can see here, the DJI Fly app works perfectly. Fly safe update. Alright, let's update that. So yeah, that's how you can download and install the DJI Fly app on your iPhone. Works fine, everything works fine, no issues. Cool, so that's pretty much what I wanted to show you in this short video. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up as well. Do not forget, any questions, ask in the comments. I'm here to help you out. So thanks again for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.